Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00936 error in Oracle Database 12c. So now let me open the SQL Plus editor. So I am logging as a common user called c#scott, which I already created. So make sure that you have enough permission, okay, to execute the SQL query. So now I am typing the SQL query. Select from employees. It's showing as missing expression, so which means that I am missing the symbol called star. Okay, select star from person, that is select star from employees. So that is the correct syntax for the SQL query when you select all the records. Okay, so here star is the expression. Okay, yeah, star is the expression needed by the SQL statement. So provide the expression correctly. It may be either field or it may be star. Okay, so that is a fix for ORA 00.